How to make your liked videos private on TikTok. That's what I will show you in this video. But before we begin, make sure to subscribe to the channel and ring the bell to get notified whenever a new video is uploaded. With that said, let's get started. So go ahead and open up TikTok. And once you do that, click on the profile icon at the bottom right. Then click on the three lines at the top right corner of your screen. Then click on settings and privacy. And here from the account section, click on privacy and then scroll down to the interaction section, and from there click on liked videos. As you can see, the who can watch your liked videos option is set to everyone. So in order for you to private your liked videos, you need to choose the second option that says only me. And by doing that, no one will be able to see your liked videos except you. So that was it for this video. That's how you can private your liked videos on TikTok. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comment section down below. With that said, see you in the next video.